today we're going to be learning some basic signs, words, phrases in sign language. In this clip, we're going to learn the words anger, mad, quiet, cry, and bad. So the first one, anger. I want you to think that you're angry about something, so you're feeling something. So anger, it's coming from the insides. You're angry, anger. So you want to bring your fingers, bend them slightly, and you're coming up from your stomach upwards. Anger, anger. If you're mad, you're mad, mad. So instead of being angry, you're mad. And again, that's where facial expression really is important, because you'll raise your eyebrows up. Mad, mad, anger, anger, mad. How about quiet? Quiet. Well, what do people normally do? They go shh, they shush you. So quiet is actually two hands. One comes up with that quiet finger and another hand like this. So quiet, 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 quiet. Cry. This might have made someone cry, to signify tears rolling down your eyes, or your cheek rather. Cry, cry. And finally, bad, bad. It's like someone's tasting something and it tastes bad, 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 bad.